Due to some complaints about a particular employee, we have decided to take a closer look at all of the payments that they posted. The employee's code is Eric. We want to filter the payments database to show all records where Eric appears in the Posted By field. There are a few ways to do this, but the easiest way is to find one record that was posted by Eric, like the one in row 5. Right-click on Eric and select Filter by Eric. The Filter by Cell Value dialog box appears. By default, the dialog box will display the field name and the value that you clicked on with the exact match or double equals operator, but all of these can be changed. We could have right-clicked on any cell in the database and changed the field drop-down to Posted By and the value to Eric. An equation is displayed in the lower portion of the dialog box, Posted By equals double quote Eric double quote. Click OK to apply the filter. The database is filtered to 13 records that were posted by Eric. The blue bar at the bottom of the screen displays the number of records out of the total number of records in the payments database, 13 out of 185. In the Properties window, the equation we saw in the dialog box, Posted By equals double quote Eric double quote, is next to Criteria. Right-click Criteria and select Clear to remove the filter and display the entire payments database again. Now let's apply a different filter to look at all the payments that were payable to Burkhart. In row 20, right-click the cell containing Burkhart in the Payable field and click Filter by Burkhart. Click OK. There are 7 records displayed, and the equation Payable to equals double quote Burkhart double quote is displayed in the Properties window next to Criteria. We can add to the existing filter by repeating this process. If we want to see payments to Burkhart that are greater than $10,000, right-click on one of the cells in the Amount field and click the Filter By option. This time, we will change the values in the Filter by Cell Value dialog to filter values greater than 10,000. In the Operator drop-down list, select the greater than symbol, and then enter 10,000 for the value. By default, the Add to Current Criteria box is checked. This means that we will keep the existing filter for payments made to Burkhart, and we will add on the filter for amounts greater than 10,000. Look at the equation, which shows both conditions separated by AND. Uncheck this box, and we will only filter for payments greater than 10,000, regardless of the Payable to field. Let's check the box again to add this filter to the current criteria, and click OK. 5 records are displayed that are payable to Burkhart, and they are also greater than 10,000. Finally, let's clear the filter and view the entire payments database. In the Properties window, right-click Criteria. Before we click Clear, notice that recent filters are displayed in the right-click menu. This makes it easy to toggle back and forth between several filters quickly. Click Clear to remove the filter.